If you want to record sounds on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then first of all we need to go to the app drawer. Then over here in the app drawer we should be able to find the recorder app. There we go. So once you find it, you want to open it. And if needed, to grant all the necessary permissions that the app is going to ask you to provide. Then we're gonna use the button that we have at the bottom of the screen, so this circle, and you should be able to start recording yourself. So you can just say whatever you want to say out loud in order to record yourself, to make voice notes. You can also activate the camera, which is of course a pretty convenient tool. So if you want to include a photo, for example, then you can easily do so. There we go. So as you can see, now it is even included in the speech recognition. You can also pause at any point you want to, or completely stop the recording. And after a couple of seconds, you should be able to play the recording back. After that, we have the transcription. You might also need to wait a couple of seconds to actually get the transcription. You can also refresh it in case something went wrong. You can also enhance the voice or show the voice print if that's what you need. You can translate the transcription. The transcription also recognizes speakers, so if there are multiple different speakers on the recording, then they should be separated. Here in the upper right corner we have 3 dots where we can find some additional options. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.